Hi, hello, this is Jason Yu. If you are the real estate agent working in the Greater Toronto Area, I believe you must get the feeling the market is changing right now. Every day, I talk to a lot of agents, especially for last 2 years. A lot of real estate agents told me they have a record high, they have the best year ever, they've been closing a lot of deals, especially for the last 2 years, the new normal situation. Usually, I'll ask them one question. I usually ask them, when you're making those deals, is it because of the market or is it because of your skills? And for the last 2 years, because of the market, we all take advantage on the market. And right now, the market is changing. It's time to think about what type of strategy to put in place in this type of changing market. If you're in the business less than 3 years, it's time to learn what to prepare in this type of changing market. If you're in the business more than 3 years, which means you may gone through the market cycle 1 time, 2 times, or even 3 times, it's time to think about what type of strategy you can put in place when the market going back, you can ahead of the game. So coming up, I'm going to have the interview. I invite one good friend. His name is Neil. He's in the business over 30 years. Usually every year he's doing over 100 transactions, which means he's gone through up and down market many times already. And I want to invite him to share what type of technique and what type of strategy to put in place in this type of market. If you're interested, you can register the link below, so I'm going to invite you to join the meeting. And before you register, if you want to know more, let's listen what Neil is going to share.
Hi, my name is Neil Backus. I've been a realtor for 30 years or so in the Washington, D.C. metro area. I was given the opportunity to speak to you about what I do on a day-to-day basis to generate $1 million or 100 transactions per year. We're going to talk briefly about 10 different pillars I use on a day-to-day, starting with probate, estate, and attorney, divorce listings, as well as farming, the community that I farm, the amount of years I've been farming that area. We'll talk a little bit about my COI, my past customer, how often I stay in touch with them, and what else do I send them ongoingly. We'll also deep dive in my mindset, what makes me, what drives me consistently throughout these years to be able to produce at a high level. I hope to see you guys in the next week or 2 at your place. I know you guys are Canadian, so we'll have a good conversation. And I also know we only have 30 minutes to make that talk. So thank you, talk to you, see you guys soon.